Everyone, so this is Sunil here from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Clean. You can see here a very heavily set lichened roof. We'll be cleaning this up, and we are starting off by applying our mold treatment. You can see me, I'm just rinsing it here just so I can start to get the chemical through. But with this kind of job, you have to apply a mold killer to be able to do a successful job. Okay, so this is our now spraying up the roof, as you can see here. We do this to kill the lichen spores, okay? So that's the whole idea behind doing this. And what happens is once the lichen starts to die, you'll find that it starts to retract its root system. And that's exactly what we need in order to do a good job with cleaning. We must kill the organism so that it starts to retract and we can actually remove the root system out of the plastic. Okay, I'll show you the results as we start to work it in the next stage. Okay everyone, here we go, look at that, finished results. Absolutely fantastic. Now this roof, the customer told me, is about 8 to 12 years old, and if you look at this now, it looks like brand new. And this is the advantage of using a really good mold treatment, mold and mildew. And this customer won't have to call me again now for another 8 to 12 years. So well worth the effort. And why dispose of it, of all this sheeting, and put up new sheeting when it'll be A, far more expensive, and B, addition to landfill, and when you can just clean it. Hope that's helpful, folks, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and do give us a call if you're in Victoria, and we can help you. All the best.